The process is really straightforward. First, open the Start menu and search for CMD. Be sure to run it as an administrator. Next, you'll want to run one of these commands. The first command will disable the feature, while the second one will enable it. You can find both commands in the video description below. After you apply the command, you might not see the changes immediately. To make sure they take effect, you can open Task Manager, search for Windows Explorer, right-click on it, and select Restart. Alternatively, you can simply log off and log back in or restart your computer. And that's it for today. I hope this video helped you out. If you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.